My name is Chandra. We are a chain of stores in Bombay. We are primarily into retail of pet products. Father had founded the business in pet way back in 1971. We have been manufacturers, our parent and his Canon Lobby articles. So my father started the manufacturing of it and then we went into retail with the brand of Shake Hands. So we had 2 stores at Crawford Market and Kolaba and manufacturing of the Canon products which was distributed across India. That's where we thought of expanding it, taking it into the e-commerce space right in the year 2011-12 when the e-commerce was just bubbling up. And that's where we found the current softwares that we were using were not helpful because the stores were not integrated. For instance, an SKU in a Kolaba store is different from a Crawford Market store. So how do we link the 2 things together? And that's where we realized the shortcoming of the software. But still we were in the growth spot. So initially we started another store at Target, we did e-commerce. But as we started growing up, the challenges started increasing and we realized that we need a software which is integrated. Like all the channels are integrated, the retail stores, e-commerce, everything together. So I started researching on it and that's where I came across Ginesys. So we had a couple of softwares to shortlist on, but Ginesys were most proactive and they pitched us the product and we saw the demo and we were very helpful. We were very happy about it. So since then we started working with Ginesys. The first couple of months went into the migration, which were very helpful. They migrated and they trained the entire staff. And once we came on Ginesys, it was like all the business processes fell in place. Our entire operations were centralized at our office at Mahalakshmi. All the retail stores did their job of just selling. All the inward and all the processes were centralized at head office. So by that, the functionality of each store was very limited to their processes and everything went integrated. So if I want to see a stock, a real-time stock, I could just see right now. Other advantage that are part of Ginesys, which I really appreciate, hats off to them, is their turnaround time in support. The earlier software which since I'm in retail business, if a store software goes down, practically I have to do billing on paper and the stock is gone for a toss. But for Ginesys, I never faced an issue. Anytime it was down, the team is on cloud supporting me on desktop software, like remote desktop software, in fixing the issues. And it has been amazing. I never had to call their team. Everything was done by logging a ticket and getting it done. So I would give thumbs up to their tech support and their team for that. It has been a very happy journey for me since I started with Ginesys, and I'm looking forward to more.